Hey guys, it's Mariah from SparkleLess.net, and I'm going to show you how to do an expanded pattern text. So first what we're going to do is make a new document. I'm making mine 450 by 150. And click right here on this color part. This is going to be the color of your expanded text, and I'm just going to do a basic gray color. And click OK. So now you have that, and I'm going to make the text. You go right here to this bottom palette. You can either do it a color or a gradient. I'm going to be doing it a gradient. Click OK, and then make sure your text is a floating selection. So go ahead and type up the text you want. Okay. So it's going to be selected like that. So now we're going to make a new raster layer, layers, new raster layer. And you're going to go click on this part, this top palette, and you see I have color, gradient, click on pattern. And to get your patterns into this particular folder, you save it to CorelPaint.pro, your folder, and then your patterns folder. So it'd probably be in your documents folder, I'm guessing. So I'm just going to do this basic grunge pattern, fill it with the flood tool, and right click on that layer, go to properties, and we're going to set this layer to soft light. And the opacity is just basically how visible you want the pattern to be. I'm just going to leave it at 100 because I like the look, how it looks grungy like that. But you can mess around with the settings right here. You can put it to like 50% opacity, but I'm just going to do 100. So now we're going to merge all these three layers down here to one layer. So you're going to go to layers, merge visible. Now we're going to expand the text. So go to selections, modify, expand. And I'm going to do 3 pixels, but you can play around with the settings too. You can do it 2 pixels, 1 pixel, or you can even go much greater, but I'm just going to do 3 pixels. Okay, and then I'm just going to paste it as a new image. I'm going to add a drop shadow. So this is how it's going to look, and then now I'm going to add a drop shadow. Effects, 3D effects, and then drop shadow. The vertical and horizontal offset's going to be 0, 100, and then you can play around with the settings right here of how you want the blur to be, but I'm just going to do it at 3.96. And there you go. That's pretty much, that's all you have to do. So there you go. There's your drop shadow patterned expanded text.